Hey! How's it going? Okay, so today we're going to work on the second set that we've been discussing. So these sets are just ways of practicing some of the moves that are usually found in sequence in the forms, whatever yang form you're working on. You'll usually see these occurring kind of maybe not exactly in sequence, but at least they're together, so it'll get you at least the flow, how things are flowing. So let me just jump right in. So here's the sequence we're going to be working on today. Starting with Stork, spreads her wings. Going into brush knee push step. And then going into play the guitar. And now we transition back to Stork. Okay, so that's the set. Now let's break it down a little bit. I keep moving a little bit. Every time I do it, I move a little bit closer, so I have to make sure I'm back here to start out with. So we start off in our Stork. Okay, so whether your Stork is way up here, wherever that is, just get into your position. All of your weight is on your right leg. So your right leg, we were only doing Stork, spreads her wings on the right side. That's just the way it is. And we also only do play the guitar on the right side. Repulse the monkey, we do it on both sides. Parting the wild horse's mane, brush knee push step, we do that on both sides. But as far as for Stork spreads her wings, we just do this on my right side is the heavy foot, so all my weight is dropped into the right side. My left side here is super light. This arm, my right arm is up, my left arm is down. Okay, so that's the so this is a great workout for your right thigh. You're going to end up having this massive bulky tree trunk leg and a little chicken leg, or a little like a cat leg, right? That's why it's called a cat stance, because it's like the little cat is just very touching very delicately. I guess you could call it an elephant stance as well as a cat stance, because while you have the cat there, you have an elephant leg here, so it's super heavy. Anyway, not to digress. Here we go. So from our Stork spreads her wings, the posture, and now here she is spreading her wings. And now we step forward. We release the back foot, the right foot. We're going into a front stance. Good. And now we come forward. Into play the guitar. Notice that the left toe is up. Now here's the transition back into Stork. So we go from here, the right hand drops away and the left hand comes down. So that's just the transition. And then along with the transition, we go from toe down to toe up. I'm sorry, we go from we go from toe up and then we go into toe down. So toe up, play the guitar, into toe down. Cat stance. All right, let's go through this one more time. We'll do a series of 2 of them. And going back. Yes. Excellent. Okay, good. So that's the cycle we want to do. Just keep practicing and practicing that. And we'll get really comfortable with those postures. One thing is, if you look here, I'm not going to go too heavily into how to do those individual postures for the sake of the length of the video. I just want to show you the flow of it. I'm putting a link here to the playlist on YouTube for the course series I did, where we kind of went in and I spent 20 minutes or so on each of those postures. So you can kind of go in and look and see which one if you're kind of like, oh, I'm not really sure how that stork, how that works, or going into brush knee push step, then you can just look on there. Okay? Now let's do it from the side. Let's do it from this side. And transitioning back there. Okay, and then one more, we'll do it from the back. So here we go. Keep the weight in the right leg. Step out. Release the weight from the right leg into a front stance. Brush knee push step. We're coming forward into the left leg. All the weight is now on the right foot. Keep it in the right. Keep it in the right. And the transition to there. All right. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. The third set I'll do outdoors, and it's going to be wave hands like clouds. So it's a fun one. So have a good day. Talk to you soon. Talk to you next week. Take care. All right. Bye.